Ile Tolibia. Good morning neighbor, owó mi mo wá gbà. Can you imagine? Zero cut, even if you want your fee, you should speak English. Pẹ̀lẹ́ o, Wọlé Ṣóyínká onígbèsè. Ẹ wọ ọmọ Ìbàdàn yín bó ṣe ń rélé mi. Òkàkiri borí bẹni tó re ilé ìwé orí eku. Tálá kan ní karamọ́. Ìwọ bí mi ní question bóyá mi ò bá ní sọ. Pẹ̀lẹ́ o, question ya. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lórí òyìnbó body. Just standing before you say big time English vocabulary star boy máa lọ wine mi. Ọmúnú bí mi lórí owó mi. Stop fucking with me, àbí Indomie. Indomie kini Indomie. Indomie ṣe fap. Àwọn tó ìbò ṣoṣo mi.
Nothing is going to happen. Nobody can come and just blessing you because of one chicken. Agbapo, we are here with you, we are supporting you.
What are you praising? Are you crazy? What are you yelling at? What are you praising? Are you crazy? What are you yelling at? What are you yelling at? Are you all crazy? Oh, neighbor, showing time. Neighbor, showing. Neighbor, why you all yelling? Neighbor, showing time. In fact, from the world, I'm not joking, I'm not laughing, I'm not whining, I'm not boss me, I'm not you, me, I don't call me, it's not funny. Mugbe, emergency, I never knew you come so soon. Emergency, I never knew you coming through. Emergency, oh, lo jack and lawyer, oh. Emergency, oh, lo jack and lawyer, oh. Bro, better have my money. Bro, better have my money. Oh, baby, why you with me? Bro, give me my money. Mama, buy Jackie, go. I go fight you like Jet Li and Jackie Chan. If you don't pay me, what you owe me? You ride me on shower da. You bounce it, far. Bro, better have my money. Pay me what you